Hi again, everyone. Welcome to another Jamaican walk about Scotland vlog. And I am currently in Edinburgh, or just on the outskirts of Edinburgh, but still would regard it as Edinburgh. I'm at what's known as the ninth hole, just below the Hermitage, which is a walk that's just below here. There's a river that runs by, and on that side is the Blackford Hill. The Hermitage is down in that valley, and this is the ninth hole, which used to be a golf course. Pretty much it's done. It's all grassy. I don't know why they stopped using it, but they must have their reason. No, I'm heading to what's known as Braid, which is just above the main road there, where you see the car passing by. Over that side is Braid Hill. So I'm going to take you along for a walk to see bits of Scotland. As mentioned, I just love the outskirts of the city. I'm not big on vlogging in the city. It's too busy, it's too noisy. Maybe the museums would be nice. But at the moment, I'm on the outskirts, and I'm going to see if I can go up the hill and head over to Braid Hill and walk from there, so I can have an idea of what Scotland is like, the beauty and so forth. Especially when we talk about Edinburgh, or just on the outskirts of Edinburgh. So journey along with me, and the walk begins. I could have gone that way, but nah, I'm closer to here. So let me start from this end and see what transpires. There's just so much opportunity to stay healthy and fit in this place if you beat the weather and come out and just walk about. When the weather is horrible, it's not ideal. I guess you'd have to really put on proper clothing. But no, it's sunny. It's March actually, so sometimes in the UK during this time of the year you can still get snow, or it's frosty. But we're fortunate. It's only the third or fourth day in March, and it's sunny. There are people in t-shirt already. British people are hardy. Our Europeans, they are used to the snow. As you can see, I've got thin layer too, so it's not bad. I can roll up my sleeves and that's it. It's not cold at all, which is a plus, especially when you want to go for a walk. But it's good to do vlogs featuring the winter when you've got the snow, or autumn when you've got the autumn leaves. So it's good to have a variety. So yeah. So I could have gone this way and then up the hill, but I can't be bothered. I'm closer to here, so I've never entered Braid Hill from this side. So I keep my fingers crossed. So I don't. No, I'm not going to get lost, but maybe I'm just discovering a new approach to the hill. Here's a wee sign. Hermitage Golf Course. Okay. Hermitage of Braid and Blackford Hill Local Nature Reserve. Take a picture of the map. Okay. Okay, here's a wee entry point. Let's see where that takes me. Okay, I've got options. Nah, I'm not going up that hill. This way then. Right, where do I go from here? This is interesting. Okay, so that's I think I'll go this way. And just look over there, the Royal Observatory. Oh, it's nice. Just perching there on the hill. I don't think it's doing much perching. It's nowhere near the edge. So over there is Blackford Hill. Hermitage is in between. And this is Braid Hill. View from Braid Hill. Okay, golf course. All right. So I think some people are passing by. Just let them pass. So here, I think when you're passing this region, you have to be careful that you keep an eye as to the progression of the golf game, because sometimes they'll be hitting the ball and it fall near to you, because sometimes people are not that professional, but the better ones, I guess it will be closer to the putting area down there. So I think it's just a bit better to stay by the edges so they have space to play without conking you in your head. And that's one of the beautiful thing, and you have to give it to Scotland. I don't know if this is a long-standing thing in Scotland or it's recently the opportunity for rambling, and I'm sure it's the same. Rambling is common in the UK and other parts of the world, but definitely in Scotland, maybe because landowners work in partnership with local council and government to afford the opportunity for people to ramble through their land, and the population in Scotland is mature enough to ensure that when they are passing through the property, they keep the dog on the leash so they don't terrorize any of the animals, especially farm animals, sheep, or so forth, especially the wee lambs during February, March, January, February, March. I think it's lambing season. I think so. But also that they don't destroy um, cash crop. But it must be that it's a work in progress, that it wasn't always like that, but we've arrived at this stage where you can ramble across farmlands, but even while you're playing golf you can walk along the edges. Sometimes if it's not too busy you can walk across the golf course, but they always let you know to keep, is it keep left they said, if I'm correct, if there's anyone out there who play golf, is it keep left if someone is about to hit the golf ball, so that you know to stay out of the way. So they're nearing the final hole. It's a big one. Here we go. Pastime for Scotsmen. Golf. Golf. Absolutely interesting sports. Very relaxed. Oh, here's some more runners. Auto seat. And the observatory. golf course. So much golfing everywhere in this bit. And then you have farmlands over there. They grow possibly wheat, barley. They do rotation, crop rotation. So it vary the year. They grow different stuff. Sometimes it's wheat, sometimes it's barley, possibly oats, barley, wheat. There's something else that they grow there. Rapeseed, yes, rapeseed. So it's all green at the moment. Come summer, harvest time. Late summer more likely. Mid to late summer. Golf course still continue till further down that side, all the way down. Mm. Okay, so we just finished a little bit of Braid Hill. There are a lot more to it. Braid Hill, Bridle Path. So I guess there's a next path going this way.